Right, Gopal Snacks is in focus. Gopal, I want to understand, Mukesh, I'm going to understand the consumer demand right now. You are present in so many states, of course, originating from Gujarat, but Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and of course, expanding across the country. We want to understand, and a lot of senior or larger companies on the consumer side have increasingly started saying that they are witnessing in tier 3, tier 4 in the rural side demand coming back on volumes front. In your area of operation, which is snacks, both on the wafer side as well as your traditional ethnic snacks, gathia, etc., are you also witnessing signs of green shoots of consumption rebound coming in?
Yeah, thanks for inviting me, Ajay. So you are very right in saying we are seeing a demand in our wafer products. So last year we witnessed 8% of our revenue coming from wafer category. We have seen tremendous growth in wafer revenue month on month, and now 12 to 13% of our revenue only coming from wafer segment. In other ethnic product as well, in last 2 months, performance gatia has grown by almost 5% year on year. So there has the demand has picked up in Q1 of this financial year, both in rural segment as well as in urban market in our Maharashtra, MP, and other states as well.
So you're confirming this trend that indeed tier 3, tier 4 rural side consumption demand is coming back. Now
Yes.
let's focus and talk about what exactly is the demand drivers. Is it because you're launching new products in the wafer side? Is it the traditional, salted wafer basic, or you also expanding your category around there and hence the demand is coming back?
So it is both way. We have recently launched couple of products. Last month we launched two product, which is regional Maharashtra product. This month we have launched Korean BBQ, which is a barbecue product under our Christos Wafer brand. This is fourth series in the wafer category, and it has a blend of smoky flavors inspired by traditional Korean barbecue flavor. So, and this is designed to target the youth segment, preferably in urban market. So definitely the growth is coming from both the market. Our ethnic market, which is predominantly from Gatia segment, has shown a growth, and wafer segment definitely it is growing year on year. 40% we have witnessed growth last year, and even year on year now from 8% of the revenue constitution, now it has moved to 12.5% in the first 2 months.
Right.
And if I talk about our wafer segment, this is highly marginable, highly profitable product compared to our other products. And hence, with the increase in revenue coming from wafer segment, definitely it will help us in overall increase in the margin from a company perspective as well, Ajay.
Let's talk about wafers in a little more in detail. How large is the wafer opportunity overall in the country? And since it is seeing very good growth, talk to us about how much size of the opportunity you are looking at aiming in the next few years. When did you launch it, and how much is it of your revenue now? And that will give a very fair idea what is the potential going forward.
So as per the industry report, what we see is the wafer market is close to 15,000 crore market, and we have market share very negligible, less than 2%, and the growth has been very phenomenal. We see at least 40 to 50% growth year on year in this segment. Currently, our annual revenue is close to 160 crores, which will definitely go to 300 and then 500 crore in next 2 to 3 years.
What about how is the margin picture shaping up right now? I've seen that when I see the yearly margins from you had at worst point in time gone to 7% kind of levels, but then gradually you have come back to kind of 12% levels. Margins have rebound on a longer term basis, and also how are you doing the margin management, especially with the volatile raw material scenario?
So our key raw materials, I would say it is palm oil, chana, potatoes, etc. And what we do is we have our hedging strategy in place. We do a bulk purchase of chana and potato in month of March and April when the crop of this products comes in, and we have already stocked in close to 70 to 80% of our H1 requirement, and hence, in a way, the pricing and the margin is protected. In H2 of this year, we see a favorable monsoon coming in and the inflation outlook less than 5%. Hence, we don't see any impact in the pricing because of price increase, etc. Because we see a stable inflation. Even in case there is a significant increase in the price of any raw material, as the industry, what we do is we adjust the grammage by lowering the grammage to a certain extent. Hence, it doesn't impact the price overall. So we are very confident in maintaining a EBITDA margin of close to 12 to 13% in FY25 as well.
All right, Mukesh, we'll let you go on that one. Thanks so much for joining us on the show.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.